Oh my god, guys, and there you go. I've just got a free copy of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. So let me show you guys how you can go and get your very own copy. This is a digital code that I can redeem now. So yeah, let me show you how to get yours. Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back. And thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to reward you for clicking on this video, so keep watching. I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can get Zelda Tears of the Kingdom for free. This game is available on Nintendo Switch and it's been out a little while now, and there are more ways popping up to get the game for free. And I'm going to show you today the best method that I've discovered, and trust me guys, I've tried pretty much all of them. There are other ways, but this way is the quickest and I've found the easiest. So you can get the full game. This is going to give you a digital code which you can redeem in the eShop or on your Nintendo Switch, and it's going to download Zelda Tears of the Kingdom for completely free. So let me record my mobile and yeah, let's show you how to do it. So of course you need to use your mobile phone and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So open up the internet on your mobile phone and go to this website, guys, hotshotcodes.com. so hotshot codes, and you're looking for Hotshot Codes, the #1 coupon site. This is the website you need to find. These guys are pretty sick. You can see just on my screen now, they have like gift card codes, game codes, coupon codes, pretty much everything you could ask for. But if you scroll down this page until you find this Zelda one, so you can see here, this is a free Zelda digital game code for Nintendo Switch. Tap on it to open the page up. This game's been out a little while, and you can see this has been used almost 1,000 times, and it's been rated 4.9 stars, pretty much 5 stars. Not sure why not. I guess someone's not happy with whatever. Scroll down, and here you go. So this is the start of the process to get your game code. So you can see this is a 100% free digital copy of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom for Nintendo Switch. Now, I'm not going to do it because I've already got the game, but I'll talk you through it. You will need to click on this Show Game Code button, and when you click this, a new screen is going to come up, and it's going to give you some instructions. Essentially, guys, you will need to verify yourself as a real person. Pretty easy. It takes just a few minutes, and you need to just complete a couple of free tasks. They're all completely free, and like I said, it takes less than 5 minutes. So once you complete your tasks, or whatever tasks you choose on that page, you can come back to Hotshot Codes and it's going to release your free game code. It's pretty easy. I've found this and I've done it myself, so I will save you all of these codes. So go to hotshotcodes.com, guys, and yeah, it takes 5 minutes. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions, and once you get your code, you grab your code, copy it, and enter it into the Nintendo eShop or on your Nintendo Switch, and it's going to start downloading Tears of the Kingdom for completely free. So that is it, guys. Pretty easy. Go to hotshotcodes.com. Please press the like button if you got your free copy of the game. So everyone watching this, check the likes, and yeah, we can see how many people got the copy of the game for free. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy and have a great weekend. Peace.